Hello, this is AhmedWafa, and I just want to refer that I mistakenly spilled out all the brake fluid. So the many air bubbles has been into the streamline of the brake. So we head to the brake caliper, and for my bike, the bleed bolt, which releases the pressure to spill out the liquid. So far I have 8 wrench, depends on my bike, and I'm using a new synthetic brake liquid. It's .4, depends on your bike. I'm going to open it. Filling up the reservoir to a point that we could consider as enough. Now we hold the brake pedal to release a pressure in order for the liquid to be released or pass through the streamline of the brake. Now we're going to open the bleed a little bit to release the pressure and release some of the air bubbles that has been sequestrated there. Now we close fasten it again, and then we repeat the same procedure, holding the pedals and squeezing it many times to reach the same pressure. That's enough for the liquid to be spilled through the streamline, and repeating the opening and closing or loosening and tightening the bleeding bolts. Now once we found that the level of the brake fluid is below the required, we must fill it again. Otherwise it could also bolt some airs, which could also form bubbles, and we will return to the same issue again. So the brake won't hold much more to calibrate the rear wheel. And we also repeat the same procedure. And I previously just noted that the level should be a little above this metal or shim of the reservoir, which is marked here. Now fill it again to the same point until it covers all this little metal that pops out of the reservoir. Now we could see the previous or the residual of the old brake liquid has popped out or spilled away with the little bubbles. We repeat the procedure until the new brake liquid spill all the way down, and must without any turbulence. So we must dispose of the air bubbles inside until we see that the new brake liquid or fluid spilled all the way, just like this way, freely. No turbulence, remember. Now we close the cap. We follow the level of brake fluid if we found any reduction. Now we have to close the cap. and we better close the cap. Otherwise, there could be another also pulling of the air, and the new bubble would form. So this critical step. Now let's go and check the bike and check the brake. Apply little pressure to the point we could find a little retraction or force operating the bike. Check the rear brake. It clipped the rear wheel very well. Let's put it at a level so it could be clear for you. Now to this point, this tutorial has been finished. Thank you.